So whether you're trying to rank on a specific term in Google or other search engines, most businesses forget one crucial thing, which is on-page search engine optimization. That technical term simply means that you help the search engines know what your site is all about. Now, the reality is that most businesses forget this crucial piece of the puzzle and simply don't know why they're not getting traffic from Google. They think SEO is a big scam purely because of bad assumptions. So the big question is, how do you achieve this? Well, how do you appear on the right keywords that your prospects and potential customers are searching for? Well, Google and other search engines have become much smarter than ever. What that means is that they're constantly trying to figure out what your website is all about. That said, it still needs a little bit help to know what your website is all about, and that is the best way to get ranked on the right keywords so that you attract the right prospects, right? Now, most people forgo on-page search engine optimization and try to focus on external things like getting backlinks. Now, while backlinks does work, this is a big mistake because by not doing something as simple as on-page optimization and on-page SEO, you will lose out on some great initial rankings. So you're going to discover how to get better search engine rankings by making your WordPress website more SEO friendly starting today. Now, this has been working for the last decade and there's no theory here. And the fundamentals and the factors that we're going to be dealing with have changed slightly, but they still work. So here's a quick video's overview of what's inside this video course. Video number 1 is the introduction. We'll talk about the mindset that you need to be in before you even get started. We'll talk about the tools you need, and we'll give you a quick overview. Video number 2 is the main focus to make sure that you're on the same page as us. Video number 3, we'll talk about the 5 main important factors. And then we'll dive into the 5 factors in video number 4, which will be the URL structure. Video number 5 will be body text structure. Video number 6 will be image optimization. Video number 7 will be title optimization. Video number 8 will be meta optimization. And then we'll talk about how you can automate this process by using the top 2 WordPress plugins that we have tested. So go ahead and grab this video course today and start making your WordPress site SEO friendly.